Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Synology router. To do this, first, just to show you, I have my smartphone right here connected with that router, and now we're gonna move to the reset. You need to pick up your router, find something very thin like the SIM needle, SIM ejection tool, and then now next to the power key there's a reset and a gap. We'll need to press on that gap with that needle, and when you're pressing it you can look on the LED lamps on the bottom of your router and keep holding that button until they stop flashing and one will be blinking in orange. Now you can stop pushing on that button and your router should return into factory settings after it reboots, and you'll see the change right here. It will disconnect from that network and it will show as a default name in available networks. And here we have it, factory reset is complete. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.